Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can build an Amazon affiliate website. I'm going to be showing you how you can build a beautiful website using Shopify. Now, Shopify offers you guys 3 days free trial, and then you have to pay $1 for 3 months. As you can see here guys, 3 months for $1 a month. Okay, so that's exactly guys why I like to use Shopify. And also there are a lot of themes you can use. Basically, it allows you guys to do a lot of things on your website without knowing anything about coding and stuff like that. You can add your Amazon affiliate products, which I'm about to show you in a few seconds how you can add them to your Shopify store, and then how you can promote these products. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys is you want to search for shopify.com, or you want to click the first link in the description and it will take you guys directly to Shopify. Now you want to create an account. You can click on start free trial here in the top right. Now after that, you want to just create an account. You want to click on I don't want help setting up, and then you just need to like start free trial. You can either use your Facebook to create a store on Shopify, or you can use your Google. You can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Apple if you want. Now I'm going to sign up with Google. Okay guys, you just need to add there your Google account, and then it will create a Shopify store. Now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to log into my Shopify store. As you can see, this is the dashboard of my Shopify store, and I'm going to click on this view your online store. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, this is the website that we are going to use to add Amazon affiliate products. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. We are going to download an app on Shopify. Just click on settings, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. Okay, so after that you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so now after that you want to just log in using your account here. I'm going to do that so that I can access Shopify App Store. Now you want to search here for Amazon affiliate. Okay, so you want to search here for Amazon affiliate, and you want to download this app. It's called Amazon Importer. You want to click on it, and this is the logo of the app. It's called Amazon Importer, as you can see. Now this app allows you guys to add Amazon products to your own Shopify store and earn commissions each time someone buys the product through your link. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how you can display Amazon product on Shopify store and how you can earn commissions. Now by the way, even if someone doesn't buy the exact same product, if they clicked on like buy on Amazon or view on Amazon, and it took them directly to the product you are trying to promote on your website, which is like Shopify website, like even if they buy something completely different from the product you are trying to promote, you are still going to earn a commission within 24 hours of them clicking the link. Okay, so after with the period, within 24 hours, anything they buy from Amazon, you are going to earn a commission for it. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to click on install here. You want to install the app. Now after guys you click on install, then what you guys need to do next, you want to just confirm, click again on install. Okay guys, just give it a few seconds. As you can see, the app now is getting ready. Okay, now it says here to import or view your imports, go to the dashboard. Click on go to the dashboard. I'm going to click on it right now. Okay guys, we are now on this page. Now what we are going to do is we are going to start importing products to our Shopify store, okay, from Amazon, like products that we want to promote on our website. Now first you want to click on or toggle this Amazon button here. You want to toggle it on. As you can see, I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, here this Amazon button here, you want to toggle it on so that like your products will display a view on Amazon button, so that people will click on view on Amazon. It will take them directly to buy from Amazon. Okay, so you want to click on activate here, and it's going to take you guys to your theme editor on Shopify. Now what you guys need to do next, you just need to click on save in the top right. Okay, click on save in the top right. Okay, so after guys you click on save in the top right, make sure you toggle it on. Okay, make sure you toggle the app on here. Okay, it's already did that automatically. Now you just need to click on save in the top right, like I said, and after that you want to go back and you want to start importing products. Now first thing you need to do, guys, before you do import any product to your Shopify, you want to click on Amazon tags here, okay, and here you want to add your associate ID or affiliate ID. Okay, so here currently I am in the United States, so I'm going to like copy the associate ID. Okay, I'm going to store ID in the top. Like, you just need to search here for Amazon associate, and it's going to take you guys to your Amazon associate, and you want to click on amazon.com associate, and you want to copy this store ID here in the top right. It's very important. Okay, so I'm going to copy it right now, and I'm going to go back. Okay, I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to click on save. By the way, if there is anything you don't understand here, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so after you add that affiliate ID, then you want to go back to Amazon import. Now you want to go to Amazon and find any product that you want to promote. So I'm going to search here for amazon.com, and I'm going to find any product here, for example the pants or like shoes or whatever product you want to promote on your Shopify store. Just add here the URL of the product or cultural, and then click on paste, and after that you want to click this button here in the left, as you can in the right, I'm sorry. You want to click on it, and as you can see it says here importing. Now you just need to wait for the product we get, as you can see, stay tight while we get the product imported to Shopify. Just give it a few seconds, and as you can see the average time here is 30 seconds, sometimes less. Okay, it's not going to take you that long. Okay, now you want to go to your own Shopify store, and you want to click here on products. Okay, so as you can see, this is the product that we have imported to our Shopify store. Now instead of displaying like buy now button or buy now so that they can pay us directly, there will be an view on Amazon button here. If they click on it, it will take them directly to Amazon. Like I said, if they click on this button and they close their laptop or phone, they change their mind, they don't want that, and within 24 hours they changed their mind and they went to Amazon and they purchased something completely different from the product you are trying to promote on your Shopify store, you are still going to earn a commission. Okay, so that's exactly how this works. So as you can see, guys, there will be like this button that says view on Amazon. Now if someone purchases this item, you are going to earn a commission. You already know that, guys. You want to go to your Amazon associate, and then you will find all your earnings on your Amazon there. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Okay, you can always go and you can always add many products. As you can see, this is your own Shopify store now. As you can see, you can customize it, you can add the background, you can add many things. As you can see, these are the products that we have imported from Amazon to our Shopify store. Now if someone clicks on one of these products and they click on view on Amazon, it will take them directly to Amazon, and if they buy the product, we are going to earn a commission. As you can see, you can also select here the quantity, and then if they click on view on Amazon, like I said, that's exactly how you do this. Now if you want, for example, to add more products, just click on settings, apps, and locate the app that you have downloaded, which is Amazon Importer. Click on open app, and it will open the app, as you can see, guys, and you can click on go to dashboard. Okay, and you can then import as many products here as you want. Okay, after that, just click on this import button here, and that's it. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.